Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name's Dave, and today we're out here at the Woodmizer LT40, and I've got a cherry log up on the mill, loaded and ready, and I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna have some really neat grain patterns in it. So I figured I might as well bring y'all along with me. So stick around and I hope y'all enjoy. So I'll go ahead and show you the log here itself to get the camera straightened up. All right. And I showed you guys this log before out at my parents' house, but anyways, there's a lot of kind of twists and variations in the log, and I'm hoping it's got a nice curly pattern to it. But anyways, up next after that, color explosion with some Osage Orange. So I trimmed it up there. This log and the cherry up there, both 8'6". Got a little leftover, but I didn't want to take the losses. This cherry's got a big crook on the end. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the mill fired up, warmed up, and get this thing slabbed out. Guys, this log is gonna be something fierce. Look at these dark colors in it. I think we're gonna have a lot more of this to see here as we flip it over, and we're just gonna slab it all 5/4. Actually, let's do 6/4. I think that'd be better. I'm excited. love this black streaking in it. Absolutely beautiful. All right, here we go. Let's see what these other slabs hold for us. Oh man, is that pretty. I'm certain the camera isn't doing it justice. However, I'll get some water and throw on this for y'all. It's stunning. Ooh. And just like the top piece, the very first one I showed y'all, this one's got a lot of black, different color configurations in it. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and offload the mill here, get these stacked real quick, get the Osage Orange log up here and cut, but stick around to the end. We'll get some water on this for you. This is called hedge apple or Osage Orange, or some people call them, you know, the tree produces these balls, people call monkey balls. Regardless of the name, I wanted to show you how bright this color is, but more so the fact of how tight these growth rings are. So I don't know a lot of the details about this wood, other than I know it's the hottest BTU burning wood in our area here. So just wanted to show you, I counted these, it's roughly 85 to 90 rings on this small limb here. I've got the base of the tree sections up there to mill yet, but really excited to get into this one. So I want to take you all along with me here. Let's see how it goes. All right, this will be the first time milling this. Let's see how it does. My goodness, I tell you, this camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks like a bright neon yellow color bomb went off here at the mill. The lumber turned out all right. I had a lot of tension in it. I got a lot of, it's probably gonna try to bow there when it's dried, so I have to get it stickered and stacked and weighted. But let's go get some water on it, as well as a cherry, and we'll wrap this video up. All right, friends, we wrap this video up. I want to take the time to thank you all for the support, all of the comments and emails that you all send to us. We really do appreciate them. And if you like these videos, if you would, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, I sure would appreciate it if you subscribe to us. We're always into sawmilling and making lumber and just outdoor fun there with the family. So again, I thank y'all for tuning in. I want to wish y'all a happy new year, and we'll catch y'all on our next video. Y'all take care.